Hello everyone. Today we have a new treats box. This is for March. And in case you don't know what treats is, it's a monthly subscription box where you get treats from around the world. You get a different country every month. So let's see what country we have this month. This month we have England. And this is a postcard of Bryntor, England. It says this month's treats come to you all the way from United Kingdom, the country of the Union Jack. The United Kingdom is made up of several countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, and as such, it contains an incredibly diverse culture, which is reflected in the range of its snacks. In this box, you will, it's probably supposed to be receive, snacks ranging from recent innovative creations such as Guinness beer flavored potato chips to traditional classics such as fruit gums, which have been around since 1893. You will also find snacks with a strong local heritage, such as shortbread fingers by Walkers, which have been exclusively baked in Scotland since 1898. We made sure to include a well-balanced mix of savory snacks with sweets and biscuits, and we hope you enjoy the snacks we selected. Sit back, relax, and take a culinary journey to the United Kingdom through its snacks. Bon appetit. Have fun. Alright, let's see what we have. And as always, they have a description card of everything that you're going to get in the box. So these are cheese and onion flavored potato chips. Cheese and onion. Sounds like an odd mix to me. Oh well, we'll try it. Here are the Guinness. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Guinness, I think I am. Bert's thick cut, hand cooked potato chips. So, I guess these are supposed to taste like Guinness. I don't know, we'll be doing a separate video of each of these snacks. Jaffa orange flavored fondant covered in dark chocolate. Sorry, couldn't see it. Interesting. And we have Lion, some kind of candy bar, fruit gums, fruit and nut toffee, I like the I can't talk. Description. It says whack, then unwrap and enjoy. Whack it. Custard creams. Vanilla flavor cream sandwich biscuits. Pontefract cakes. I hope that's not licorice. Oh Lord, please don't let this be licorice. I guess we'll find out when we open it. An Aero bar. I've had these. These are really good. Somebody from England sent me one of these, and oh my goodness, it was good. And Walker's Pure Butter Shortbread. Yay, I can't wait to try these. Except for maybe the, let me read. Let me find it. Confections by Stockley. I'm trying to see if that's licorice because, oh, one of the worst tastes. Well, there's two things that I cannot stand the flavor of. Ugh, makes me shiver just thinking about it. One of them is celery. The other one is licorice. It doesn't say if it's, it doesn't say what flavor it is. It just says Confections by Stockley's and where it was made and all that. Oh, well, maybe I can tell by the smell when we open it. You know what? We're going to get it out of the way. I'm so worried about it. Let me find my scissors. Pontefract. Never heard of that. It doesn't taste, it doesn't smell like licorice. Let me see. Here's the ingredients. Caramelized sugar. Oh no, it is. Look, licorice. Oh, I'm not gonna try these. I already know I'm not gonna like this, and I don't want to make myself sick. I will literally get sick with the taste of licorice. So it's funny that it doesn't smell like licorice. Okay, I'm trying to decide if I want to try it or not, because it doesn't smell like it. Let me show you what it looks like. See, it's black like licorice, and it's real rubbery. But it doesn't smell anything like licorice. It smells more like a cake. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh, oh goodness. I do not like these. Ugh. Excuse me, I'm having a shiver. It has a, it's not a real strong licorice taste, but it's just enough to make me not want to eat these. Okay, so we have the first tasting out of the way. I don't have to worry anymore about licorice. Oh, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a nice day.